Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Your Windows PC might already know it. If your computer has connected to that Wi-Fi before, you can view its safe password using the command prompt. First, open the command prompt and type this command. This displays all saved Wi-Fi profiles in your computer. Next, replace the Wi-Fi name with your own network name and run this command. You can find these commands in the video description. Now scroll down to the security settings. Next to the key content, you will find your Wi-Fi password. Remember, this only works for Wi-Fi networks that have already been saved on your computer. Follow HSEBYTE for more Windows tips.